Every home has that one tiny, nagging issue that we all just kind of learn to ignore. A little crack here, some discoloration there. But what if I told you that one of the most common ones, right in your bathroom, is actually a ticking time bomb for a financial disaster? Well, let's defuse it.
Let's just start with a number, a big one, $2,000. That's the potential repair bill we're talking about here. And the crazy part, it all starts with something you can barely even see. So what is it? What starts as this harmless little crack but can spiral into a total catastrophe that costs thousands to fix? Well, the answer is simple, and it's probably in your bathroom right this second. Failed caulking.
So here's where we're at. You've got two paths in front of you. On one side, you have a simple, preventative $150 fix. And on the other, a full-blown $2,000 renovation. The choice seems obvious, right? But believe me, it's a decision that homeowners get wrong all the time, without even knowing it.
Okay, so how? How does something so small escalate so dramatically? Let's break down exactly how this small problem begins its very destructive journey.
The main villain in this whole story is water. Now, your bathroom is built to handle water, sure, but only on the surface. The moment it finds a way behind your tiles, through one of those tiny gaps, it becomes a hidden enemy. The real danger isn't what you can see, it's what's happening just out of sight. And here's the really scary part. This hidden damage doesn't take years and years to develop. The timeline is frighteningly fast. Let's take a look at just how quickly a single tiny drip can turn into a total disaster.
What's shocking here is the speed. In just the first week or two, moisture is already seeping in behind the wall. By month 1, you've got hidden dampness just sitting there. Around month 2 or 3, you might finally start to see some stains or peeling caulk. And after 6 months, you are now dealing with serious mold and structural rot. The problem has officially become expensive.
And the consequences are severe. We're talking about widespread water damage and mold, which is terrible for your air quality. The adhesive holding your tiles just gives up, which leads to them lifting and cracking. Your flooring can warp and bubble up, and worst of all, the very structure of your home, the wall studs, the subfloor, can literally begin to decay.
So, if it's this destructive, why do so many of us miss the warning signs until it's a full-blown crisis? Well, there are a few very human reasons for that.
I mean, this quote really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? The most dangerous leaks are the ones you never see. The damage isn't happening out in the open. It's a silent disaster unfolding behind your walls.
It really boils down to 3 things. First, a tiny crack just looks harmless, right? Purely cosmetic. Second, the real damage, the monster in the wall, is completely out of sight. And finally, that quick DIY patch job where you just smear new caulk over the old stuff, it doesn't create a real seal. It's just a Band-Aid that fails in a few weeks, and the problem comes roaring right back.
Okay, enough about the problem, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk about the real, effective solution. And it's not just a touch-up, it's about creating a complete moisture protection system for your bathroom.
See, a professional fix is methodical. First, they completely remove every single trace of that old, failed caulk. No shortcuts. Second, and this is crucial, they disinfect the area to kill any existing mold spores, a step most DIYers skip. Only then do they apply a new professional-grade bead to create a perfect, long-term seal. This is about fixing the root cause, not just covering it up.
And they don't use the same stuff you grab off the shelf at the hardware store. Professionals use an industrial-grade antifungal silicone. This material is designed to be flexible, so it actually expands and contracts with all the temperature and humidity changes in your bathroom, maintaining a perfect waterproof seal all year long.
So, spending that $150 isn't just about getting a clean line of caulk. It's a true investment in the long-term health and protection of your entire home. Let's look at the return you get on that investment.
The benefits are crystal clear. A proper seal prevents that musty mold and odor from ever developing in the first place. It extends the life of your expensive tiles and walls, saving you from huge repair bills down the road. And yes, it even boasts your home's value, because a well-maintained, professionally sealed bathroom tells any potential buyer that you take care of your property.
So, where should you be looking in your own home? Here are the high-risk hotspots. Go check the seals around your bathtub and shower, especially in the corners. Look where the tile meets the wall, check around your sinks and vanities, and look along the base of the bathroom floor. These are the areas that always fail first.
So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Go take a really good look at your own bathroom.
Is that tiny little crack you've been ignoring for months just a cosmetic issue? Or is it the start of a countdown clock to a much, much bigger problem?